Do you need to replace the Palmrest assembly on your Dell Latitude 7300? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's get started. Alright, the first thing that you'll do is unscrew the bottom base cover. Then you can use a plastic scribe to pry open and separate the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. I also recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Now unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket. Then disconnect the antenna cables and slide out the Wi-Fi card. Now unscrew the cooling fan. Next, unscrew and remove the solid-state drive bracket. Now slide out the solid-state drive. Now disconnect the speakers. Next, unscrew and remove the speakers. Now unclip the locking tab and disconnect the LED board. Then unscrew and remove the LED board. Next, disconnect and remove the CMOS battery. Next, unscrew and remove the battery. Next, unclip the locking tab and disconnect the touchpad button board. Now unscrew and remove the touchpad button board. Now unscrew and remove the DC jack bracket. Then disconnect the DC jack. Now unscrew and remove the bracket that secures the LCD cable. Then disconnect the LCD cables. Next, unscrew the wireless bracket and then disconnect the antenna cables. Now unscrew the left and right LCD hinges. Next, open the LCD display assembly and separate it from the palmrest. Now unclip the locking tab and disconnect the LED board. Next, unclip the locking tab and then disconnect the touchpad cable. Then unscrew and remove the motherboard. Then unclip the locking tab and disconnect the keyboard cables. Next, unscrew and remove the keyboard assembly. Now unscrew and remove the power button. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.